Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very beautiful, and it's very unique in its style, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and a stylish designer type collection of handmade hand painted masks. And you know, the beauty of this collection is that all of these hand painted fabric painting mask patterns are totally hand embroidery style patterns. That is, at the same time you can utilize these very beautiful patterns to make your hand embroidery masks, to make your machine embroidered masks. So these designs are 3 in 1: fabric painting, machine painting, and hand embroidery. So as you know that COVID is in its full wave and is massively affecting human lives, but it is our duty to keep ourselves protected and the loved ones around us. So to keep yourself protected and to stay protected from COVID, the only way is to make a habit of wearing masks while going out. Friends, these masks are made on soft linen, cotton, organic, blended fabrics, and as you could see that these are very comfortable, lightweight, they are washable, reusable, and they come with adjustable elastic ear straps along with a supporting nose wire. And to give the maximum protection, there is an inner third layer which is a filter pocket for absorbing impurities. And friends, if you want to get more creative, trendy and stylish design ideas related to masks, or any other hand art ideas, or women fashion world like dress designing, baby dress designing, jewelry design, mehndi designing, gemstones, nail art, girls fashionable accessories, bags, crochet art, footwear, and much more related to women fashion, then friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Kindly make a habit of sharing massively my videos with your friends and family, so that we could grow into a remarkable YouTube family. We have reached at this level only with your support, and inshallah we will also achieve some other major milestones with your endless support and cooperation. And don't forget to comment below this video, because your comments are the only way with which we get to know that how you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you. So spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others, and try to ease the hurdle of others so that your hurdles could be eased automatically. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos in my new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Jazakallah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.